Hello. So today we're going to be creating a jumping game. Right here I have two sprites, a bat that's going to be jumping, and I have an orange that's an obstacle that the bat jumps over. I have my backdrop already. Let's start by making the bat jump. Starting with the event block, I'm going to be using when this sprite clicks, so that whenever I touch the bat, what does it do? I want it to jump. Go to emotion and look for change y by 10. Right now I'm going to repeat that change y by 10 with the repeat loop under your control to make it jump high enough. Next, I want it to come down whenever it jumps up. Just do the same thing, change y by 10 and go to your control, bring out repeat 10. So change this 10 to negative. I'm going to do copy and paste, so I'm going to save it. So when I tap on the bat, it jumps up and come down. Now what I wanted to do is that I want the feathers close whenever it comes down. But whenever it goes up, I want the costume to switch to bat A. Whenever it comes down, it switch to bat D. So tap on the bat, see what it does. Next, let's make the orange glide. Starting with event block, whenever I click on the green flag, that is when I want the orange to glide. But whenever I click on the green flag, I want the orange right at this corner. But before then, I need to change the size of that orange. It's looking pretty small. How do we do that? Tap on the orange here on the pen, and you see parameters right here. Can you see the size? So I can increase it by 20. That's gonna make it what, 20? That's big enough. So I think it's okay. So I want it to be just right here. It's touch the edge. All right, so what I'm gonna do is this block, go to X and Y. So that is the position of the orange right now. Whenever you click on it, if I should take it away from there and I tap on the green flag, see it moves back directly to that place. The next thing I wanted to do is glide towards the bat. So this is where I want it to come. Then look for your glide block, tap on it and see what happens. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Next is I want it to continue to glide. Right? I want it to glide forever continuously without stopping. Come to control and bring out forever loop. And hit the green flag. And it does that repeatedly. Next, we're going to make the orange stop whenever it touches the bat. How do we do that? Let's do this. Start with the event block again. Bring out the green flag. Right? Go to control and bring out the block that says wait until. The next is go to sensing. Bring out this block that says touching mouse pointer and put it right in the diamond shape. Tap on the mouse pointer until touching bat. So what happens after touching the bat? Right under your control there's a wait, there's a block that says stop all. So when I click on the green flag now, see what happens. The game stops as it touches the bat. Next, let's position the bat. That whenever you click on the green flag, the bat comes right to the same position. Okay, so I bring out the go to X and Y. The next thing is we want to add score. Each time you jump over the orange, you hand a score. Scroll to look for your variables. A variable. So make a variable, tap on it, type score, and then save it. Then tap on OK. Alright, next I'm needing these two blocks that says set my variable to 0. Tap on the my variable on that block and change it to score, and then snap it out and put it right here. So what this means is that whenever I click on the green flag, the bat goes to this position and then set score to 0. And the next is come back to your variable, see the change my variable by 1, tap on my variable and change it to score, and then right below, snap it right below your last script here, that each time it jumps, you earn a score of 1. Let's put it to full screen to see what we've created. Alright, so okay, doing this. So this is what we have made. Kindly subscribe, like, share to get more. Thank you. Bye for now.